Hey guys, do you know how we can unzip any zip file in Android? Also how we can convert any file into zip file using Files by Google app. Watch this video. I will show you how we can do these things easily. Let's go on mobile screen. Open Files by Google app. Then open particular folder where your zip file is located. Here you can see this is my zip file. Now click on this zip file. Click on extract option. Our file is extracted successfully. You can see this message is appearing. Now if you want to convert any file into zip file, select a particular file. Here I am converting this image into zip file. Tap on this image for some seconds. Now click on three dot on top corner. Click on compress option. Type any name for zip file. Then tap on compress. Here message is appearing one item compressed. Click on view. So guys, you can see this is our compressed zip file. If you want to unzip this file, you can follow same procedure as described in video.